Good morning, welcome back to YouTube Wars. BBR as DTroy calls it. I like that name. And we are at top of round 7. Game's going really good for the Allies now. And we're going to have a very tough time trying to acquire our 12 points. Because Europe, it looks like, is going to have to acquire 10 or 11 of those, which, as you know, is harder than out-of-box rules. So it's going to be difficult, But let's go down to Germany's purchase. Germany's purchase is 7 infantry, 1 bomber, and a transport for 40 IPCs, and 3 fighters for 30 IPCs, equaling 70, and a carryover 1. I have 2 attacks only. A lot of repositioning, but 2 attacks. First attack is barrelless. Gotta get that French guy. We're gonna roll with 1 tank, 1 dude. And Egypt. Egypt, we're gonna come in with my 4 bombers from Romania. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my transports. My 4 transports will bring in all of my guys that are here, which consist of, let me see here, 1 tank, 3 artillery, and 2 dudes. Alright, let's do this. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 at 4. Here is, get some dice over here. Alright, at least we got enough here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 at 3 for the tank. And then the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, it should be a total of 14 dice. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Alright, come on. There we go. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now he has, here, 11. And he has a 3. He has a 3 and a 4. And he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thought he had more units in there. I'll recheck. Recheck in a second. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Missing something. Oh, tank. 2 3s. Okay. 13 dice. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 dice. He got me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for me. Let's go with these are going to be at 2 anyways. Let's take that. So man, that's not so good. Wow. I really wanted to keep a bomber, but I don't think that's gonna be possible. Okay, so there's my 6. He's got 2 left. We're gonna assume it's the we're gonna assume it's those. Alright, let's go. So I got 3 at 2, 1 at 3. 3 at 2, 1 at 3. Three at 2, 1 at 3. 1, 2, 3 hits. And he has a 3 and a 4. So let's take this. 3 and a 4. 2 hits. So I am left with a artillery and a tank. Not so bad. Let's get all this crap away. Oh, didn't indeed. I think Italy killed that guy. And oh, barrelless. I have a 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1 against a 2. We can roll those at the same time. French is red. And 1 and 1. So I'm left with a tank. Okay. This is going to get tricky for me. I got a lot of non-combats. Let's think about this. This has got to be. I need some precision handiwork here. Okay, this destroyer is going 1, 2, 3 to C-Zone 117. This destroyer is going 1, 2 to C-Zone 108. These two subs are going 1, 2 C-Zone 119. This battleship going 1, 2 C-Zone 103. This cruiser going 1, 2 C-Zone 90. This fighter, and a TAC is going to Scotland. This TAC and these two TACs will stay in Gibraltar. This bomber is cargo dropping this tank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into Syria. Make it move. And then this tank is going 1, 2 to Finland. This guy here is going to Yugoslavia. These three guys here are going railing 1, 2, 3 to Western Germany. I think I moved all my pieces. I think I moved all of my pieces. Yep. You know, yeah, never mind. Okay. I think we look good. So let's place units. We will place 3 fighters in London. We have a transport in C-Zone 112. We have a bomber in Germany. So that's 2 units. 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 6 units by placing 4 more infantry. I can place 3 more units or place some other stuff. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 1. So walk in. Hold on a second. I gotta do some math really quick. That's a movement of 1 and then 2, 3. He does 1, 2. Yes, as you can see, I have abandoned Leningrad, but let's make sure the math is right. Let me do the math. 1, turn 7, bam, bam, turn 8. Yeah, we are good. So I will place. Yeah, we'll place all the remaining 3 units here for a total of 9 placements in Western Germany. Hold on a second. I gotta do something else. I can't leave my anti-aircraft there just to get killed. So why don't I... Let me see, that would be... Actually, they'll all kind of be pointless at that moment in time. Yeah, I think it'd be pointless. Okay, so the guy that went to Yugoslavia from Romania, he's just going to go up to Bessarabia instead. That should be okay. And then, yeah, okay. Guess that's it. So let's go over what I got on the board. What on the board I have, well, actually, let's see what I got to collect. Okay, well, we start off with 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 41, 42, 43, 45 or 6, 47, 48, 49, 55, 55. So I actually dropped a little bit, so I got 55, and then plus 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so I got plus 5 for Novigrad, 5 for London, 5 for Egypt, 5 for Sweden, so 20. So that puts me at 75. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, carried over 1, total is 76. Alright, to recap, Egypt, 1 tank, 1 artillery. In Syria, 1 tank, 1 bomber. C-Zone 98, 4 transports. Bessarabia, 1 infantry, 1 anti-aircraft unit. Western Ukraine, anti-aircraft unit. Beryllus, 1 tank. Finland, 1 tank. C-Zone 112, transport. C-Zone 119, 2 subs. C-Zone 117, destroyer. C-Zone 108, destroyer. C-Zone 103, battleship. C-Zone 90, cruiser. Gibraltar, 3 tactical fighters, or tactical bombers, I should say. Scotland, 2 fighters and a tactical. United Kingdom, 3 fighters, 3 infantry. Holland, and an aircraft gun. Germany, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 infantry, 1 bomber. And I think that, I didn't miss anything. But if I did miss anything, here's a quick scan of the board. Okay, that's it guys. We will see you for the final round, hopefully soon. Bye-bye.